Welcome back to the Tech Shack to another low quality video. Now we have this Xbox Series X on the bench, and it just got a brand new HDMI port, some new traces replaced. I think the HDMI time or whatever that chip is. I don't do board level repair, so there's an issue with that guy, but it's all up and running and it came back to me in the shack. Now the full story on this guy was, I used to have a company local that I would refer people out for this type of stuff. They closed. Somebody found me on Google Maps from a decent distance away, came all the way out here hoping I could fix it. I could not, but I went on eBay. I started looking around, organizing by basically seller rating and repairs and going through reviews. I found somebody I felt confident could do the repair, sent it out to him. He did an amazing job. All right, got it back to me really fast. There was more damage in there than what I initially expected because the kid left out that he had someone else try to fix it who, you know a guy who could do it, and the guy didn't know what he was doing. So it ended up with 6 broken traces on top of needing a new HDMI port. But it's all up and running, and kid's going to be incredibly happy. So if you're looking for somebody who can do this type of repair, do board level repair on gaming consoles, I highly recommend Techie Folks. That's who I reached out to. That's who I'm going to be basically subcontracting out all my console board level repairs that come through the building. All right, especially for my clients that don't want to just go on eBay and find anybody they can. I'm going to go through this guy directly from now on. He's going to be my console board repair guy. He's going to be the guy that I either refer people out to or I send to myself. So highly recommend this guy. This kid's going to be back up in gaming today. Well, that's it for this low quality video. Go check out Techie Folks.